Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add swipe up link in Instagram story. So I'm going forward to open my Instagram account right here, and at the top left corner I'm going to select your story, and I'm going to select a photo to add to my story. So let's say I want to add this one right here, and next I'm going to hit the sticker icon right here, and I'm going to scroll down until I find the link. And right here I have to insert the link that I want to use. I'm just going to type in youtube.com as an example, and I can also customize the sticker right here, and I'm going to insert something like text and then hit done. So as you can see right here, this is our link, and you might be wondering how we make that to swipe up. So the thing is that after the new update, the Instagram has removed the swipe up option for the links, and they inserted this the sticker links, so we are not able anymore to insert swipe up links. So this is the only option to add links to our story right now. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.